That afternoon, Thomas had to collect some paint for the bridge.
Fuck her right in the pussy!
Thomas puffed into the yard and backed up to the paint trucks. But Diesel was in the yard
What
too.
are you doing in my
Now
farm?
I'll show Thomas who's best, Diesel whispered. And he gave the trucks an extra hard shot. Paint pots flew into the air and splattered down all over Thomas.
Much say.
There was green paint, yellow paint and red paint. Thomas looked very silly indeed. Stripy boiler, laughed Diesel, and he rolled away. I'll show those Diesels, puffed Thomas. So the next time Thomas saw Harry, he gave him a biff. And when Harry saw James, he gave him a pump. Soon the Diesels and the Steamies were biffing and banging and being bumped all over the island. The engines were in a terrible mess. Everyone needed a good washdown. No work had been done.
Spooky, scary skeletons and shivers down your spine. Shrieking skulls will shock your soul, seal your doom tonight.